The Sun, a G-type main-sequence star, is the nuclear furnace that sustains life on Earth through hydrogen fusion at its core. Yet, like all stars, it is mortal. When the Sun dies, the consequences for Earth and the solar system will be both scientifically predictable and apocalyptic in scale. Currently, the Sun fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. This process releases the light and heat necessary for life. In an estimated 5 billion years, however, the Sun's hydrogen reserves will be exhausted. Fusion will falter, and the core will contract under gravity while the outer layers expand. The Sun will swell into a red giant, hundreds of times its current size. At this stage, Mercury and Venus will be consumed, and Earth's oceans will boil away under unrelenting heat. Even if Earth escapes physical engulfment, the atmosphere will be stripped, the surface scorched to molten rock, and all organic life annihilated. As the red giant phase ends, the Sun will shed its outer layers, forming a glowing planetary nebula. At the core, only a white dwarf will remain, an Earth-sized ember of carbon and oxygen, glowing faintly with residual heat but incapable of fusion. For billions of years thereafter, it will cool into a black dwarf, a stellar corpse radiating no light. By then, Earth, if it still exists, will be a frozen wasteland, orbiting a dead star in eternal night. The apocalyptic vision of the Sun's death is not confined to distant epochs. If the Sun were to extinguish suddenly, life would collapse in stages. Photosynthesis would halt within seconds, ecosystems would collapse within months, and within a year, Earth's oceans would freeze solid from the surface down. Within a few years, Earth would resemble the icy moons of the outer solar system, dark, frozen, and hostile. The death of the Sun illustrates the fragility of Earth's habitability. Our world exists in a narrow window of stellar life, dependent on nuclear fusion that cannot last forever. From a human perspective, the timeline is vast, billions of years. But from a cosmic perspective, it is fleeting. The end of the Sun will be the end of Earth's story as a livable planet. I hope you all know how important the Sun is.